Tired of your crypto sitting on an exchange? Let's get those funds into your bank account, step by step, using OKX. First, log into your OKX account and navigate to the Assets tab, usually found at the top of the page. This is where you manage all your holdings. Locate the Withdraw button. It might be in a prominent position, or within a drop-down menu. Click on it to begin the withdrawal process. You'll be presented with options to withdraw either crypto or fiat. Since we're withdrawing to a bank, select fiat. This converts your crypto to your local currency. If you haven't already, you'll need to convert your cryptocurrency to a fiat currency supported by OKX and your bank. Select the Convert Crypto option and convert the amount you want. Choose the fiat currency you want to withdraw, such as USD, EUR, or GBP, depending on your bank account. Now, select your withdrawal method. Opt for bank transfer. OKX might offer multiple bank transfer options depending on your region. You'll need to link your bank account carefully. Enter your bank name, account number, SWIFT, BIC code, and any other required details. Double-check everything to avoid errors. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum or maximum withdrawal limits. Also check for any processing fees associated with the withdrawal. These can vary depending on your region and the amount of crypto you are withdrawing. For security, OKX will likely require a verification code. This might be sent to your phone via SMS or through your authenticator app. Enter the code promptly. Confirm all the details of your withdrawal. Once confirmed, the withdrawal is initiated. Processing times can vary, so be patient. You can track the progress of your withdrawal on the OKX platform. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn funds from OKX to your bank account. Like this video and subscribe for more crypto guides.